Chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. In this chapter we are going to discuss about surface areas and volumes of some basic solid figures like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Starting with cuboid, it has three dimensions: length, breadth and height, which are usually denoted by L, B and H respectively, as shown in this figure. It has six plain rectangular faces, two rectangular faces along the length, two rectangular faces along the breadth and two rectangular faces along the height of the cuboid. So surface area of a cuboid, or total surface area of a cuboid, is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is surface area of four vertical walls of a cuboid, is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. A cuboid whose three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height, are equal is called a cube. A cube has six square faces. So surface area or total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square, where a denote the side or edge of the cube, and lateral surface area, or we can say area of surface area of four vertical walls of a cube, is equal to 4a square. A denote the edge or side of the cube. Using these formulas for surface areas for cube and cuboid, let's start exercise 13.1. Question number 1 is: a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 meter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine area of the plastic sheet required for making this plastic box, and also find the cost of plastic sheet at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. This is the question. In this question, a cuboidal plastic box is to be made of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter and height, that is depth, 65 centimeter. This cuboidal plastic box is open at the top. We have to find area of the plastic sheet required for making the box in this question, and also we need to find cost of the plastic sheet used for making the box at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. So let us first write dimensions of the cuboidal plastic box. Length is given 1.5 meter, breadth is given 1.25 meter and depth or height we can write is given 65 centimeter. So this 65 centimeter, let's write in meter, 0.65 meter. So all three dimensions, length, breadth and height, will be in the same unit, that is meters. As box is open at the top, four lateral faces of the box we have to calculate and base of the box we have to calculate. That is, we are going to find lateral surface area of the cuboidal plastic box, areas of four vertical walls, plus area of the base, length into breadth. So we are going to use formula for lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is 2 into length plus breadth into height. So first part of this question is area of plastic sheet required. Is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. This is a lateral surface area of the wall, that is area of four vertical walls of the cuboid, plus length into breadth. This is area of base of the cuboidal plastic box. Now let's substitute the values of length, breadth and height in the formula, and this is going to be equal to 2 into length 1.5 plus breadth 1.25 into height 0.65 plus length here 1.5 into breadth 1.25. all the measurements are in meter. So this is 2 into 2.75 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25, it is 1.875 meter square, unit will write at the end, and 2 into 2.75 is 5.5 into 0.65 plus 1.875. If you multiply this 5.5 by 0.65, you will get 1.575, and this plus 1.875. Adding this, we'll get 5.45. Actually, let's multiply this 5.5 and 0.65. This get 3.575 plus 1.875. This is 5.45 meter square, and this is area of plastic sheet used in making that open cuboidal box. Rate of plastic sheet, I mean cost of 1 meter square of plastic sheet is given rupees 20 in the question. We want to find cost of plastic sheet required for making this open cuboidal plastic box. So second part, let's write rate of plastic sheet is equal to rupees 20 per meter square, it is given. So therefore cost of plastic sheet is equal to rupees 20 into 5.45, and this is equal to rupees 109, and this is the answer. Question number 2 is the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and ceiling of the room at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So in this question, as measurements are given, room is cuboidal in shape. Length of the room 5 meter, breadth of the room 4 meter and height of the room 3 meter, it is given. We are going to find out cost of whitewashing the 4 walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So first we'll find out area of 4 walls, I mean surface areas of 4 walls and ceiling together. Area that has to be whitewashed, first we have to calculate. So area of 4 walls means lateral surface area of a cuboid formula we are again going to use in this question, and surface area of the ceiling will be equal to area of the floor, and that room is rectangular. So area of the ceiling is going to be rectangular in shape, so its area will be length into breadth. So let us write first dimension of this cuboidal room as length 5 meter, breadth 4 meter, and height 3 meter. So let us calculate first area of 4 walls and ceiling, that is area to be whitewashed, or we can write area of walls and ceiling together we are finding out, and this area will be whitewashed. So area of walls and ceiling 2 into length plus breadth into height. This will give area of 4 walls plus length into breadth. This will be area of the ceiling. So this formula we are going to use to find area of 4 walls and ceiling together. Now let's put values of length, breadth, height in this expression. So 2 into 5 plus 4, length into breadth into height, plus length into breadth 5 into 4. Simplify 2 into 9 into 3 plus 5 into 4, 20. So 2 9 ja 18, 3 ja 54 plus 20. This is 74 meter square. This is area of 4 walls and ceiling together, and this 74 meter square area is to be whitewashed at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So let's write rate of whitewashing. Rate of whitewashing is already given in the question, rupees 7.50 per meter square. Therefore, cost of whitewashing the walls and ceiling equal to rupees 7.50 into area to be whitewashed 74 meter square, and this is equal to 555 rupees. 555 is total cost of whitewashing the 4 walls and ceiling of the cuboidal room, and this is the answer. Now let's see question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the walls at the rate of rupees 10 is rupees 15,000, find height of the hall. In this question also there is a rectangular hall and its perimeter is given 250 meter, and total cost of painting the 4 walls is given rupees 15,000, and painting rate is rupees 10 per meter square. We have to find height of the hall. So let's write perimeter of the rectangular hall is given 250 meter. Cost of painting four walls is given rupees 15,000, and rate of painting is also given rupees 10 per meter square. Total cost of painting four walls is given rupees 15,000 and rate of painting given rupees 10 per meter square. So first let us find out area of the four walls of the rectangular hall. So therefore area of four walls of rectangular hall, it will be equal to total cost of painting four walls divided by rate of painting. So this will be equal to cost of painting four walls divided by rate of painting, and this is equal to 15,000 by 10, which is 1,500 meter square. This is area of four walls, and area of four walls is lateral surface area of four walls of a cuboidal room, and we know 2 into length plus breadth into height is formula for calculating area of four walls of a cuboidal room, or we can say area of four lateral walls of a cuboid. So area of four walls rectangular hall, we can use this formula 2 into length plus breadth into height. This is area of four walls and it is 1500 meter square. Now if you see this formula carefully, this part 2 into length plus breadth, this is perimeter of the cuboid, or we can say perimeter of the rectangular or cuboidal hall. So this formula we are going to interpret in this form: perimeter into height of the hall. Perimeter of the hall 2 into length plus breadth into height of the hall equal to 1500 meter square. Perimeter is already given 250 meter into height. This is equal to 1500 meter square. So height of the hall is equal to 1500 divided by 250. This 0 cancel. 150 by 25 6 meter, and this is height, required height of the rectangular hall. So this is the answer. Let's see question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Dimensions of cuboidal bricks are given. Some paint is kept in a container which is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. We have to find how many bricks can be painted out of the paint that has been there in the container. So let's write area that can be painted from the paint in the container, that is 9.375 meter square. Area that can be painted from the paint in the container. It is equal to 9.375 meter square. And let's write dimensions of the cuboidal bricks. Dimensions of the bricks: length 22.5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter, and height 7.5 centimeter. First, let us find out surface area of one brick. Surface area of one brick. So surface area of one cuboidal brick. We are going to use formula for surface area of a cuboid because bricks are cuboidal in shape. So that is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is equal to 2 into length 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter plus height 7.5 into length 22.5 centimeter. This is equal to 2 into 225 plus from here 75 plus 7.5 into 22.5, it is 168.75. This is equal to 2 into 225 plus 75, 300 plus 168, 468.75 into 2 is equal to 937.5 centimeter square. So 937.5 centimeter square is surface area of one cuboidal brick. So if one brick is to be painted, this is surface area 937.5 centimeter square, and total area that can be painted from the paint in the container is given 9.375 meter square. So this we can change into centimeter square like this. 9.375 into meter square will be changed into centimeter, multiplying by 10,000 centimeter square. So this will be 93750 centimeter square. So this 93,750 centimeter square area can be painted from the paint that is there in the container, and 937.5 centimeter square is area of surface area of one brick, and we have to find number of bricks that can be painted from this paint in the container. So number of bricks to be painted from the paint in the container is equal to 93,750 divided by 937.5. Let us remove this decimal from the denominator, and for that we need to multiply numerator and denominator both by 10. So it is 937,500 divided by 937.5, and it is equal to 100. So number of bricks to be painted we have got equal to 100. That means 100 bricks of surface area 937.5 centimeter each can be painted from the paint out of the container. So this is the answer.